Hello students, we are going to study oxidation number today. Okay, when I say oxidation number, it means what? These oxidation number are the charge allotted to the elements, okay, when they are found in combined form. Okay, so this is known as what? Oxidation number. So oxidation number, when we see, if it increases, if the oxidation number is increasing, it means which reaction is going on? Oxidation. If the oxidation number is decreasing, which reaction is going on? Reduction. Okay, if we are talking about oxidizing agent, in oxidizing agent, when it acts, what happens? Oxidation number decreases and it is known as oxidant. If in case of reducing agent, what happens? The oxidation number increases and that is known as reductant. Okay, so these are points we are going to understand with this example, and number of examples we will be doing of oxidation number, how to take out the oxidation number. Okay, so let us see the reaction. Carbon, whenever any element is present in its elemental form, its oxidation number becomes 0. Okay, in molecular form, 0. Okay, in elemental form it will be 0, in molecular form it is existing, it will be 0. Now it is forming what? Carbon dioxide. Okay. In the rule, beta in NCERT, in the chapter oxidation number topic, you will be seeing number of rules are there to follow and then take out the oxidation number. Okay. So in the rule, one rule is given, yes, oxygen has got the oxidation number of -2. Okay. And when it is present in peroxide form, like H2O2, in that it will have the oxidation number of -1. Okay, so here it means this is having -2, but here 2 atoms of oxygen are present. Take in them that also in mind. Okay, so carbon, we will be assuming X because we have to take it out. Okay, plus 2 into what? -2, that is equal to what? 0. So here X plus -4 is equal to 0. So here X is equal to what? Plus 4. So now the oxidation number of carbon we have got, that is plus 4. This is -2. Okay. Now let us see which has been reduced and which has been oxidized. Carbon is having the oxidation number of what? 0. And after the reaction it is having the oxidation number of plus 4. So what has taken place? Oxidation or reduction? It is oxidation. There is an increase in the oxidation number. So this is what? Oxidation. And here oxygen from 0 to it has become what? -2. So here it is decreasing. And if it is decreasing, what is taking place? Reduction. Okay. So this is how, with the help of increase and decrease in oxidation numbers also, we can say that which is being oxidized and which is being reduced. Now let us take out the oxidation number of the different elements present in the reaction. Okay. So first reaction is PbO2 plus HCl gives PbCl2 plus Cl2 plus H2O. So we are going to take out the oxidation number of different elements. Okay. So if we are taking this PbO2, okay. So I said to you, we take what? -2 for oxygen. So here you can take lead for X, isn't it? Plus what happens? 2 into -2, which is the oxidation number of oxygen, isn't it? So it becomes what? X plus what it is? -4 is equal to what? 0. So X is equal to what? If it comes this side, it becomes what? Plus 4. Okay, so here oxidation state of lead is plus 4 and oxygen is -2. Coming to HCl, okay, Cl we know it is what? -1. So X, I'll take X for hydrogen plus what? minus 1 is equal to 0, therefore x is equal to 1. So it becomes what? 1, and this is minus 1. Okay, now coming to lead chloride. Okay, chlorine we know it is what? Minus 1. So lead will be taking it as what? X plus, this is 2, so 2 into what? Minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x, what happened? Minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2. So here lead it becomes what? Plus 2. Chlorine it is minus 1. Okay, here chlorine is present in what? Molecular form. So it becomes what? Oxidation number 0. Naturally here this is minus 2. So here you can take it as x, but here it will be what? 2x plus, it is what? Minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x is equal to minus 2. Therefore x is 2, not minus 2, it is 2. X is equal to what? 1. So it becomes what? 1, and this is minus 2. Okay? Now, coming to hydrogen peroxide. In peroxide, I said to you all, it is what? For oxygen, it is minus 1. So here it is minus 1. Okay, you can take out, this becomes what? H2, it becomes 2x, you can assume it here, plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore 2x plus, it becomes what? Minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? 2 upon 2, that is 1. So it is plus 1. Okay. Now coming to water. Water here it will be oxygen minus 2. Okay. So here it becomes what? Minus 2, and here it is H2. So it becomes what? 2x plus, okay, that is minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 2 upon 2, that is 1. So here it becomes 1. Okay. Now oxygen is in molecular form, so it will become what? 0. So this is how we take out the oxidation number of different elements present in the reaction, which is present in what? The compound form, isn't it? And we have taken out each and every element's oxidation number. Okay, and the method we will be following this with all the rules and the steps. Okay, and now we are going to do some more, taking out some more oxidation number of different compounds or the radicals. Okay, okay, now let us do some, take out some oxidation number of some elements which are in the compound form having charges. Okay, so let us take like sulfate ions. Okay, SO4 2 minus. How we will be taking this? See here we all know oxygen has got minus 2. Okay, so here we have to basically take out of what? Sulfur. So sulfur will be writing what? X plus, okay, 4 into minus 2. Okay, that is equal to minus 2. You will write the charge over here. Okay, so now it becomes what? X, okay, minus 8 is equal to minus 2. Okay? Now, here now, x is equal to minus 2 and plus 8. Okay? So here it becomes what? Plus 6, the oxidation state. Okay? If the charge is given, you have to write the charge on the right hand side. Okay, and then solve it. Likewise, you can take off carbonate ions also, CO3 2 minus. Okay, here you all know of oxygen, that is minus 2, carbon X you will be taking, okay, plus 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So here becomes X minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2 plus 6, that is equal to plus 4. So here it becomes what? Plus 4, and oxygen you all know it is minus 2. Okay, so remember that if charges are there, you have to write it on the right hand side and then solve it. If charges are not there, you will be taking on the right hand side what? 0. Okay, now let us study types of redox reaction. Okay, so we can see over here types of redox reactions. It can be a combination reaction, it can be a decomposition reaction, it can be disproportionation reaction, it can be a displacement reaction. Okay, so when we are talking about the combination reaction, okay, here what happens, like if we are seeing carbon plus oxygen, okay, it gives what? CO2. Okay, take out the oxidation numbers. Okay, here it is in the elemental form 0, molecular form 0. Okay, but here it will have, isn't it? Here, so how will you calculate the oxidation number? I have said to you. Okay, for carbon take x plus what it becomes, 2 into what? Minus 2, okay, is equal to 0. So here it becomes x is equal to what? 4. So here it is what? 4, here minus 2. Okay, so this is an example of a combination reaction. Now coming to decomposition reaction, okay, NaH, when you heat it, okay, it will form what? Na plus H2. Okay, so now just balance it. So this is an example of what? A decomposition reaction. Take out the oxidation number as I have taught you. Okay, now coming to disproportionation reaction, what happens in this disproportionation reaction? Okay, in this the same species or the same element gets oxidized as well as reduced, so it will be consisting of different oxidation states. For example, H2O2, okay, what happens? It gives H2O plus O2. Okay, so here when we are seeing in this H2O2, it is hydrogen peroxide. Naturally the oxidation state of oxygen is what? Minus 1. Okay, I said to you, in case of peroxides it will be having the oxidation state of what? Minus 1. Okay, so now for water, here come on, let us calculate it. It is minus what? 2. And when it is in the molecular form, it is 0. Okay, so here you can see it is consisting of what? Different oxidation states. Okay, here it is minus 1, here it is minus 2, and here it is 0. Okay, so here it is reduced also and it is oxidized also. Okay, now coming to displacement reaction. Okay, displacement reaction means what? Here displacement is taking place in case of the reaction. For example, if we are taking any substance AB, okay, plus C, okay, here what will happen? It becomes AC plus B. Okay, so here what is happening? Displacement is taking place. Okay, displacement in case of metals, you will see, depends upon the reactivity series. Even in case of non-metals, we also see in that according to its electron negativity value. Okay, so here when we are seeing what electron negativity value, when I am saying, it means what? The power of attracting electrons towards itself. Okay, so here basically when we are talking about the metals, okay, it depends upon what? The reactivity series. Okay, so here you are seeing what happens in case of metal displacement reaction. Here a metal displaces another metal, okay, in the reaction according to the what? The reactivity series. For example, if we are taking CuSO4, okay, and plus zinc, okay, it will form what? ZnSO4 plus Cu. You can see here, this copper is being what? Displaced by what? Zinc, okay, and you can calculate what? The oxidation state, as I have taught to you, of all the particular elements in this reaction, okay. Now coming to the non-metal displacement reaction, here what happens? A metal or a non-metal displaces another non-metal. For example, if I am saying, like, if you take the example of sodium Na plus H2O, okay, so you will be getting what? NaOH plus H2. Okay, so here in this we can see what? This sodium has displaced this what? Oxygen as well as hydrogen from here, and it has formed what? NaOH plus what? Hydrogen has been released out. Okay, here you can what? Take out the oxidation state and just take out and see that which has been oxidized and which has been reduced. Okay, so this is all for today. Good day. Take care.